And a warm welcome on what is a fine day for football. Perfect playing conditions. I'm Guy Mowbray and Sue Smith will be joining me for commentary today. And everything is set up nicely to give us a really good match. What are your thoughts on the game, Sue?
Well, I'm sure both managers will have given them the final instructions. Go out and give it their all. Hopefully, that'll be enough for a positive result. I'm looking forward to this one.
Ezri Konsa. Rabiot now. Sugawara. Martinez. What a chance! And ready for it coming his way. Chance to move ahead. And the first blow is delivered. 1-0.
Well, here's the replay, and what a strike this is. He gets so much power behind it. The keeper has no chance.
So it's Barcelona with the ball as the game restarts. Can they find a response? Paredes. Onto Martinez. And it's on here. And that's been cleared away. Something could be on with this. Martinez. In the right position to cut out the pass. Sugawara. Ferran Torres. Baena. Konsa. Philip Lahm. Rabiot. And that'll do it. The end of the first 45 minutes here. The second half kicks off, with Barcelona needing to turn this game around. Rabiot. Yukinari Sugawara. Ezri Konsa. Onto Martinez. This is a positive-looking move. And the promise of something happening is over. Brahim. That's a good spot. Well played. Lautaro Martinez. Here's John Stones. They're moving it around nicely here, on top and in control. Barcelona recovering possession well. Thiago Almada. Lost possession too easily there. Adrien Rabiot.
Well, just listen to the fans in here. They've just about kept their noses in front, but can they see this through now? There's really not long to go.
Torres. Getting to that stage where it has to happen for them. And that'll be Barcelona's ball. Substitution coming up. And that's the final whistle. A positive result, at least as far as the home fans are concerned. Sue, what did you make of their performance?
Yeah, both teams give absolutely everything. There was a real intensity to the game, but I think the moments of quality just give them the edge and they deserve the results.
Oh, what a feeling.